Alright, hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So this is the BOKER MAGNUM Advanced Checkering Pocket Knife Black 01RY302, selling for $39.90 Singapore dollars. Alright, so some specs of this knife. It's a pocket knife and the overall length is 20 cm, blade length is 9 cm, blade thickness is 2.7 mm, weight is 128 grams. Blade material is 440C, which is better quality. Handle material is aluminium. Opener is thumb stud. Opening is manual. Lock type is linear lock. Color is black. And the blade color is uncoated. So now I'll start the unboxing. This is how it looks like. Okay. Unbox it for you guys. So open up by these. These are the stuff. These are one hand. Sorry. Okay. You can pause the video if you want to read. This is some paperwork. There are two, and this bag to keep it dry. And we also have a pocket holder. It's free of charge. It's very good quality, very strong. Bag holder too. Okay, it's very strong. It looks like hard case. Okay, we have the knife. Okay, just pull it out. So here's the knife. Okay, so here's the knife. Okay, pull it out this way, just like that. You want to close it, you have to push the tab here, push it, then you can put back. Very sleek, very nice.